My hair. My hair got wet, so now my hair is like curly. That's not gonna stay there. You're doing good. Well, I just need to say like what we're doing really quick. Oh, there's a bee. Where? Another tiny one? Whoa! The progress that we've made so far, it's insane. I am so proud of Stan, and it looks so good. Good morning. Today it's a big day. How insane this squash is. There it is. So I saw poop, and I was like, there it is right there. I was like, whoa, that's so tiny. Where? Another tiny one? Whoa. So we're
How are you going to be able to reach that okra?
I don't know. I figured that part out.
The amount it is taking the nutrients out of this bag.
No, that's ants.
That's ants that's pulled it away?
Yeah. Look!
That sunflower can go.
Just stop. I'll deal with it. Okay, so today we are working on the garden. So we have to rip out these tomato plants. They aren't doing great. Stan and I came up with a plan, working on putting in like actual raised beds in the garden. I love my grow bags. I think that they're amazing and they served their purpose. I'm gonna come back to the tomatoes. First, I need to cut out the sunflowers. Okay, so to kind of like explain what we're doing. Well, I just need to say like what we're doing really quick. Oh, there's a bee. So this section right here in between the two arch trellises, we're gonna make one raised bed. So both the kids are down for a nap. It literally just poured rain. I don't know if you can tell. But Stan and I just sat in the rain. Well, he sat in the rain. I unfolded cardboard boxes. But this is, gosh, my hair. My hair got wet, so now my hair is like curly. Here's the progress we've made so far in the garden. Okay. So Stan got this entire area cleaned up. He's currently measuring for the garden bed, the raised garden bed, and trying to just figure out like where it needs to be, where the post needs to be, whatnot. So we got all this cleaned up. I'm working on getting this area over here set up for corn. So I'm laying down cardboard first, then we're gonna put soil on top, and then we're gonna be able to plant our corn. So this is the corn area. The benches are over here. Haven't decided where the benches are going to go. They're still going to stay in the garden. I just don't know where they're going to go right now. But this is the progress we're doing so far. You're doing good, Stan. That's not going to stay there. You're doing good. Good morning, everybody. So it's Monday. I did not film anything yesterday, Sunday. So we worked Saturday and Sunday. And yesterday I was so tired. I literally just woke up. Not literally just woke up. I'm getting up. But I want to show y'all the progress that we've made so far. It's insane. I am so proud of Stan, and It looks so good. Okay, so this is our in-ground little garden over here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell on camera, but you see the little circles? That is corn. I did about 4 or 5 rows of corn, and I did squash over there. So awesome. It looks so stinking good. We're talking about doing raised beds right here. Those are gonna be dedicated just to potatoes. And then this, Stan built me a raised bed right here. Guys, do y'all remember there were like a couple of grow bags right here and there were benches on either side? He literally built me this whole entire raised bed. Like, what? It's just so much growing space. So the goal is, so the way we had it before, like how we had like cattle, technically it was hog panel up, so that like tomatoes and cucumbers had something to grow up on. What we're gonna do is that's gonna be this entire area right here. So this area is gonna be for like stuff that needs to go up. It's gonna be amazing. And then not to like waste space like behind, closer to the dog fence. I'm growing other stuff. So like yesterday I went ahead and I planted a lot of okra back there, and I still have room to plant something else. I don't know what that something else is yet. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know. It's just, this is a lot. We talked about these grow bags here. It's kind of hard. It would be hard to put a raised bed right there. So we're actually just gonna leave it blank. Not blank. We're gonna put more grow bags. We're just gonna do grow bags right here. I'm gonna put on the ends, and that is where I'm gonna plant my sunflowers in, to kind of solve the whole issue of armadillos. To solve my issue of armadillos trying to dig up my sunflowers. Guys, this is crazy. This is crazy. This is my garden. Also, see how tall that okra is? Like, I can't reach. I don't know how I'm gonna harvest that. I might need to get Stan out here to help me, because I don't know if I can harvest that. But really quick, I'm gonna tend to this corn and see what I can do before Stan has to leave. So he's inside with the kids right now, but he has to leave for work really soon. And so I'm gonna see how much stuff I can get done before that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna harvest some of that okra actually really quick, and I'm gonna call it quits for today. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you around on the next vlog. Bye guys.